Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Trevor with Maker Experiment, and in today's video, I'm going to show you a super simple way to print double-sided if you have a UV printer. Let's get into it. For this project, my daughter wanted me to make her a keychain from a drawing that she actually made, and it is double-sided. So one side is going to be one coloring of a cat, and I'll show you that here. And then the other side is the same cat, but with different coloring on it. So I've already made the cutout that I'm going to be using. So this is the shape of the cat. I've already got all the artwork set up. I'm just going to show you what I do in the print software with the printer. So let's head over to the computer and I will show you what to do. I'm going to show you one way that I do the double-sided printing. Right now, the cat is on the bed of the printer. So for her cats, she has two different versions. It's this exact same cat, but she did different coloring to it and different line work. And she really wanted me to make this for her. So the biggest thing is she wanted it double-sided. So what I'm going to do to make that really easily, I'm going to take the first one. I'm going to choose my 720 by 1200 color only. Go into my print setup, go to properties and layer selection, and I'm going to make sure that just the color one is shown. Then I'm going to go ahead and print this over to the printer. All right, now we have the second piece. So without moving the keychain on the bed, choose the second image, go up to your profile. I'm going to choose the custom 720 by 1200 white plus color, because what I want to do is I want to lay a layer or two layers of white and then the final coloring. So then I'm going to go to print setup, go to properties, and layer selection. For me, I want to put two layers of white in between the two printed colored layers. You can do just one, it's up to you. I just like having two because I think it makes it a little bit more, I guess, poppy, or lets the color pop a little bit more. I'm gonna hit OK, click OK again, and then print that over to the printer. And that's all there is to it. So let's go over to the printer and see how it turned out. And that's all there is to it. It's a super simple process. It works really well. Now, one side will be behind the acrylic. So if you touch it, you won't feel the print. The other side, because it's printed on that side, you will see it and feel it on that side. So it just depends on how you want it to turn out. You could sandwich it between two pieces of acrylic, but in this case, my daughter is super happy with the way it turned out. But that's going to do it for this video. Hopefully it was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you know when I come out with new videos. Be sure to check out my social media channels at Maker Experiment. But I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.